What's up everyone and welcome back again with this another unboxing video. Today we're gonna unbox this boatrockerz 333 neckband earphone. This isn't a normal earphone, this has active noise cancellation feature and I'm so excited to test this out. Here is this big black box from Boat and their logo on it. Let's open it real quick. This actually opens like a real necklace box. Boat's badging over here, and on the opposite side there are 3 buttons. We will get to that later. These are magnetic, so they both can stick to each other. On this plastic paper you see some instructions, which means double pressing the middle button that they are calling MFB, which is multifunction button. The sound will enhance a bit and you can listen to music clearly as it's written on the plastic. I personally haven't checked it out. I'll probably make a video on it if I get a chance, or I'll write my review on my page. And with the ANC button you can turn on noise cancellation mode. We get extra pair of buds in the box, some paperwork, a 1-year warranty card and one Type-C to USB cable. I believe this earphone has a very good charging speed and as well as a good battery life. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. New videos on the way. See you soon. Peace out.